Well, it's been a long day since I started walking around. I've come a long, long way, searching for my friend, and only God knows where He is hiding away. Maybe somewhere far from town, in some place He comes to stay. But I've said high and I've said low to see His face. But there's nobody else around that can take His place. So I had to come to face You alone, and I had to find the song to sing so long, because I am not mine, the only man I am, and I am Your friend, the one who sings the song. A wise man once said to me, now listen there carefully, it doesn't matter where you are or been, 'cause life is a mystery. You've got to sing yourself a song to keep you company, and in there you will find your friend, your rhythm and your melody, and sometimes it'll break.